Based in Chongqing, Tenfly brings 30 years of expertise in advanced display and computing technologies to global markets. We run 3 manufacturing bases across China, with a combined annual capacity of over 5 million units, supporting partners across regions. From automated assembly to strict testing, we ensure efficiency and accuracy at every step. As a reliable ODM partner to global brands like Lenovo, AOC, and Invasion, we're known for flexibility, craftsmanship, and timely execution. Powered by our Shenzhen R&D Center, we offer full-stack customization. From education to enterprise, Tenfly turns concepts into reality through innovation and precision. All our plants are ISO certified, ensuring compliance with the highest global standards. From incoming inspection to environmental testing and final product checks, our quality control process is designed for reliability. Each device reflects our focus on precision and consistent performance. From large-scale production to OEM flexibility and certified quality systems, Tenfly supports partners with end-to-end display and computing capabilities. Backed by strong R&D, agile manufacturing, and a dedicated team, we turn your vision into long-term value.